Do you run a salon, spa, or beauty business? Today, we're comparing Fresha versus Vagaro to help you find the best booking software in 2025. Fresha is super popular for salons because it's free to use for most core features, like appointment scheduling, POS, and client records. There's no monthly subscription, which is a big plus if you're just starting out. Fresha earns by taking a small commission on new clients who book through their marketplace, around 20%. And there are fees for online payments. But if your clients book directly through your links, there's no commission. Also get tools for managing staff, reminders, rebooking, and more. It's simple, sleek, and great for independent stylists or small teams who want zero upfront cost. Next up is Vagaro, a more full-featured platform with customizable tools. It starts at around $25 per month, depending on how many staff members you have. You get more branding control like your own branded booking page, custom forms, marketing tools, reports, and even a client-facing app. Vagaro is ideal if you want to run memberships, sell products, offer fitness classes, or grow your business with automated marketing. If you want a free, lightweight solution that covers all the basics, Fresha is a fantastic pick. But if you're scaling up, need advanced tools, or want a more branded experience, Vagaro gives you more flexibility. Both are top choices. It just depends on your needs and budget. Choose the one that fits your salon in 2025 and keep your bookings flowing.